In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a carousel slider in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a newcomer trying to enhance your website, this quick and easy tutorial will help you create an engaging carousel to showcase images seamlessly. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. On the homepage, locate the login button and click on it. If you have your accounts linked, continue by selecting the Continue with Google option to ease the login process. This method is straightforward and fast, ensuring you get started without a hitch. With a successful login, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Now go ahead and select your website from the list of sites you might have. You'll be directed to the main configuration area of your chosen website. This step is crucial as it ensures you're working on the correct site, so make sure you've selected the right one. Once you're in the site's editing interface, navigate over to the Edit section. You can easily locate this by looking for the link labeled Go to Edit. This area is where the magic happens, and you can customize various elements of your site. Now you'll want to add a new section to your page where the carousel will be installed. Find and click on Add Section, a button that's straightforwardly positioned within the interface. This option allows you to insert new customizable sections into your existing layout, giving you the perfect spot to host your image carousel. In the menu that appears, select Images. This specific option is designed to provide an optimal showcase for your photos. After clicking Images, switch to Gallery View. This action configures your photo gallery to be viewed in a slideshow format, an essential step for setting up a carousel. Next, within the gallery section, click on Edit Section. This option opens up a variety of style choices and layout possibilities, allowing you to tailor the appearance to match your site's aesthetic and your personal preference. Locate the Grid Simple drop-down option and click on it. This selection lets you adjust the grid settings, providing a more organized and visually appealing layout for your images. A well-ordered presentation ensures visitors have a smoother experience navigating through your content. Finally, choose Slideshow Reel. Clicking this final setting enables the slideshow feature, transforming your static image display into an engaging interactive carousel that rotates through your chosen photos with ease. And there you have it. With these simple guided steps, your Squarespace site now features a dynamic image carousel, bringing a touch of creativity and interactivity to your page. Keep these instructions handy for any future updates or additions you might want to make, and enjoy showcasing your favorite images in style. Thank you for tuning in today. Happy designing.